Okay, greetings once again. Here is another variation of traction for the spine using a chair. It's good if you can get a solid chair when you're traveling. Don't have a sling, depending. It's a really great pose. I'm going to take a thick blanket and put it over the back of the chair. Now, the taller you are, the thicker the blanket has to be. So if you're a really tall person, you should fold the blanket in half again and put a really thick fold so that when you come up to it with the top of your thighs, it matches your height. For me, I'm going to keep it in this position. I'm just about the right distance from the wall. Measuring the distance from the wall is a little tricky. You might have to fudge in and out a little bit until you find just the right thing. So again, the caution is I don't want my feet to go up higher than the back of the chair. I don't want my feet to come up high. If anything, I like them to stay down a little bit lower. But I'm going to lean forward onto the back of the chair, bring my hands to the seat, and take my feet to the wall. Now you see I'm just a little too close. I pushed myself away from the wall. And from here, I'm going to lengthen forward, reach out so that my chin goes beyond the edge of the chair. Right? And just extend out and let your spine extend. You can rest your armpits on the chair. You can lengthen out. And just deep breathe. Because there's nowhere to go. The legs are held in position, the top thighs. You might feel again the pressure of the chair on the top thighs, but probably those muscles need to soften. They're part of what's creating tension and torsion in the pelvis and the spine. So you just let them extend, let them soften and open. Deep breathe, and then you walk back and you come out the same way you went in, hands on the chair, feet down the wall, and slowly stand up. Just like that. Namaste.